Everybody, welcome back to the channel. We had a little break in the weather today, so had a chance to do a little bit of cutting on the Midnight Express here, the 71 Chevy C10 custom camper. I live in the Pacific Northwest, so you get 4 seasons in one day, just whatever it decides. Anyway, had a chance to cut this out. I had to end up having to take the whole corner. I couldn't save the lip because it was all rotted on the inside, but that's okay, we can make a new one. I'm gonna have to make a little piece that goes right in here, comes down to about here, and then make an external piece. And I also started cutting on this section that was all rotted out, and right here the disc decided it was going to come apart, and as it was hitting my face shield, I let it get away from me. And this is unfortunate, but it didn't cut all the way through. A little bit of stitch welding, spot welding, what have you, and we'll get that all taken care of, ground down. All this is going to have to get a skim coat of body filler to fill it in, but as you can see, I'm gonna have to fab up a piece for this, and we'll get that done in the next episode. So I'll show you a little more how-to on that one, but stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel out. Drop a comment if you got any information you want to share, tips, tricks, or just poke fun. Anyhow, I hope you guys are all ready for the weekend. Have a great weekend, and we'll be back.